Hey everybody, what's up? Seth?
Everything.
Seth's been with us before.
Yep.
And we're excited to have him back. We are going to sketch on Hey Kids, Let's Draw a...
Pickle wearing cowboy boots and a sombrero.
Okay, a pickle.
Big mustache.
This will be fun.
Biggest bushy mustache.
We just drew this ourselves, so this is no character.
Nope.
We just wanted to
We
be
just made it.
crazy. So enjoy drawing our fun pickle. Alrighty, you ready to draw this pickle? Here we go. We're gonna draw some eyes. We're gonna give our pickle some fun eyes. So do a little circle here. And we're gonna bring a big nose out. So here we go. And back. Good job. I'm gonna
Like mine, but
do
bigger.
another. That's a good nose. Let's do another eye right here. Good. In inner eyes, let's do another circle, a big one in the eye. Another one over here. Should we do a highlight?
Yes.
We're famous for highlights, huh?
That's what we're good for.
Our pickle already looks alive.
Except without the body.
Without the body. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna do a big mustache right here. So follow me.
Biggest one you ever saw.
Here we go. Up. Good. And on this other side, we'll do a smaller. It's gonna be smaller because it's almost like going away from us. And then we'll come back here with a big bushy and connect that point.
Mine's the darndest thing you ever saw.
There you go. Alrighty, now we're gonna draw this pickle going up and a big body. Let's see here.
Huge.
Let's see here. Pickles are bumpy, so there's a bump for his eyebrow. And so you can make mistakes here. You can kind of go squiggly and bump. And I'm gonna do a circle because that's where the hat's gonna go. Not a circle, what's that, a curve?
Okay. Just a curve.
Now we're gonna bring this pickle down. And there's gonna be a cowboy boot down here somewhere, so I gotta be careful. Let's do the belly. We'll start over here.
The belly.
Down.
I think we should add a belly button.
You think? Let's do it. Let's stop right there for now. Let's do a cowboy boot. Let's do a leg right here. And we'll do a circle here. Circle. I keep saying circle, but they're just curves. And we'll do down, down,
Yes.
and a curve up, curve down, and let's do the heel of the boot. Straight, connect.
Let's do that.
So this pickle's like sitting there. He's kind of a lazy pickle, just sitting there on the ground,
you know.
kicking his boots up. Let's do this other boot coming over here. We're gonna be looking at the bottom of the boot. So this will be kind of fun.
Maybe we
Follow
can put
me
some
here.
gum stuck on the bottom of his boot.
That'll be kind of fun. Straight line.
Straight line.
Down like a smiley face.
Down like a smiley face.
Good job. And then point,
Point.
meet the point.
Meet the point.
And this is called foreshortening. Big word, you guys, foreshortening. It's when something's coming at you like this. Ah! So the boot's coming at us and the leg's coming at us. So we're gonna do his leg. All right. Good job. Now we're gonna draw the body going back up and meeting to the
Now we
head.
gotta put some bumps on him.
So it can kind of be squiggly, and there's a bump, because pickles are bumpy, and there's a bump, but they're tasty. Do you like pickles?
Yes.
I do too. Dill or sweet?
Both.
I only like dill. Sorry about that.
Good.
So let's do,
Okay, I don't eat pickles all the time.
pickles have lines that come down. Should we do those in, let's do the hat first. Okay.
The hat will be the best.
We're gonna do a big kind of rounded,
Sombrero.
maybe a sombrero, maybe it's a cowboy hat, we're not sure. But this is like a big oval. flying saucer looking thing. Nice. Up. Up. Nice.
I may run
And
out
we're
of
gonna,
room.
I know we're running out of room because we draw so big. We connect these two lines so.
Did it.
And then let's do a round top of the hat.
Well, it
I'm not sure what this foot's doing on mine, but whatever, it looks fun. So,
Mine just looks like.
should we color the pickle?
Yes.
Let's do it.
I don't think that looks like a hat on mine. Maybe
Oh well.
I should add.
We'll bring it to life.
We'll do whatever we want.
Yeah, go.